Well, hello. So in the last lecture, we saw how we can use date picker. So in this video, we'll see how time picker works. So as date picker is used to choose date, time picker is choose to get input in the form of time from user, right? So should I program everything from the scratch? Because it is very similar code. So let's just say we need text view. Instead of date, select time. I'm going to keep the ID. Instead of day, month and year, we'll need hour, then minute, and yes, hour and minute, right? And we don't need seconds. So here hour will be calendar, and hour of the day, and minute will be minute. We don't need year, so let's pass those argument here. So let me just delete this. Let's make it from scratch, right? So everything is similar so far, and instead of date picker dialog, we need time picker dialog. Time picker dialog equals to new time picker dialog main activity dot this and new time picker dialog on time set tv dot set text. We have time in the form of hour and minute, right? So let's set that hour of the day plus colon plus minute. That's it, and we pass this hour and minute as the remaining argument. As we don't have third argument, we simply pass false. So that's it, our time picker is done. Let's run it and see if it is working or not, right? So let's wait. Okay, it's installed, and let's click on this time. Okay, we haven't called time picker dot show method, so let's call it time picker dot show, otherwise it will not show up on the screen, right? So let's run it again and see if it's working this time. It should work. Let's see. Select time. Yes. So let's say 7 p.m. Okay. So 19:00. So that's how you create time picker from the time picker dialog in Android, right? So there are several methods to show a 12 hours format and others. You can refer them on Android developer website and learn yourself, or if you want, I can make another videos on that. Just write down in the comment if you find that difficult to show 12 hours format inside time picker dialog, because it's a little bit complicated. But if you can do this 24-hour format, it will be easy for you to show up 12-hour format. Just keep one thing in mind, hour of day will give you 24-hour format, and if you just write hour here, and it will give you the 12-hour format. And here we have the output of hour of day. So what we have to do here, if you want to get a 12-hour format, we'll just perform a little math here. We'll subtract 12 from our output, so we'll get a 12-hour format. Just as an example, here we have 19, so if we subtract 12 from 19, we will get 7, right? So that's how you can implement the 12-hour format. There was a little idea. It's your homework how to implement a 12-hour format yourself, right? So this is how time picker works in Android. So this is it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.